Hi everyone, in this video I would like to showcase how to build a pipeline from the available modules and publish them in AI Builder. Currently we are going to use the development instance of the AI Builder to build our pipeline, but one can also follow the same steps to publish a pipeline throughout all the instances of AI Builder. Now let's dive in. We will build a RAG tutor pipeline, and for that we need 4 different nodes in total. The first and foremost node is the RAG node itself, and you can find this under the Gen AI folder in the model section. You can drag and drop them into the Design Studio for the construction of the pipeline. The second node is an LLM node that needs to interact with this RAG node, and you can find these LLMs under the LLM folder. There are different LLMs that are available, and please select the one that is of your choice. The third node is an user feedback diagnostic node, which is an essential component of the pipeline. This can be found under the utility section, and this is used to evaluate the overall efficiency of the pipeline. Then the fourth and final node is a shared folder node that is used for storing the intermediate files during the execution of the pipeline. So this can be found under the data transform tools. This needs to be renamed to a specific file path so that the other nodes can use this path to store their files. The nodes needs to be connected with each other to create the pipeline. Starting with the shared folder node, you can see different icons on each of these nodes. So if we hover over one of the node, you can see that the other icons in other node starts to blink. This indicates that there is a potential connection that can be made. So let us start making those connections. Now we need to make a connection between the LLM and the RAG node itself. So in LLM you have 2 options, one instruct LLM stream and the other is an instruct LLM. Please use the stream option to stream the inputs and outputs between these 2 nodes. So let us make the similar connection. Now the pipeline is ready, so it can be saved to a specific name or solution name with a specific version, and we can save them, validate them, and now it is ready for deployment in the AI runner. Once a model is saved, validated, and ready for deployment, it can then be published into AI Builder catalog. First, we will navigate to My Models option and find our pipeline under My Unpublished Model. Here, we can use My Manage Model option in order to enter or fill in the information for submitting our pipeline. So here, as a first step, we need to navigate to Manage Publishers and Authors and enter the author name. And then submit the author. Then as a next step, we need to navigate to Publish to Catalogs and first select the catalog in which the pipeline needs to be published. So here we will use the Public Models catalog for the pipeline to be published. Then we can also change the model name if necessary or leave it as it is, and then go to a model description and add in certain descriptions to the model. Then, as a next step, we can add some license profile. For example, you can either create a new license profile or add in an existing license profile. For example, here I have already created a license profile for my pipeline. So I will just upload them. Then in the 4th step, we can choose different model category, but we need to maintain the toolkit type as a composite solution. So here I can choose a model category as Gen AI and then update it. then please feel free to skip this fifth step, that is model documents, if you do not have any documents that you wish to upload. And then the sixth step is to add some model tags. So for today, we can create or we can add a model tag such as AIoT lab. Then finally, we need to upload an image for the pipeline. So here I have a pipeline image that is readily available. So once we do all these steps, we can submit to publication. And then we will wait for the approval. And once we get the approval, your pipeline will be publicly available. Hope this helps you get started and have fun building your pipeline on AI Builder. Thank you.